Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Paint a Story, where you improve your English through interesting stories. Listen carefully, repeat after the sentences if you can, and enjoy today's emotional story. Let's begin. What would you do if the person you trusted the most suddenly turned everyone against you? I never imagined that my biggest heartbreak would come from my own best friend. My best friend and I had been inseparable for 6 years. We shared secrets, dreams, and laughter. Everyone believed our friendship would last forever. We studied together, ate lunch together, and supported each other during difficult times. I believed I could trust her with anything. One afternoon, I noticed something strange. Some classmates were whispering whenever I walked by. They looked at me and quickly looked away. I felt confused and worried. I asked one of my classmates, "Did I do something wrong?" She hesitated before answering, "I don't think you know what people are saying." My heart began to race. I asked quietly, "What are they saying?" She looked uncomfortable and replied, "People heard that you've been spreading rumors about everyone." I was completely shocked. "That's impossible," I said. "I would never do that." I needed to know who had started such a terrible lie. Later that day, another friend spoke to me in private. "I'm sorry," he said, "but your best friend was the one telling everyone those stories." I could not believe it. She was my best friend. Why would she say something so hurtful? I felt sadness, anger, and disappointment all at once. The next morning, I decided to talk to her calmly. "Can we speak for a minute?" I asked. She crossed her arms and nodded. I looked into her eyes. "Did you tell everyone that I was spreading rumors?" I asked. She stayed silent for a few seconds before answering, "Yes, I did." I whispered, "But why?" She looked down and said, "People were paying more attention to you." I became jealous, and I made a terrible choice. I felt tears filling my eyes. "I always supported you," I said softly. "I thought we were like sisters." She had no words to defend herself. Over the next few weeks, the truth slowly came out. My classmates realized I had done nothing wrong. They apologized for believing the rumors without asking me first. She also apologized many times. "I know I hurt you," she said. "I don't expect you to forgive me today, but I truly regret what I did." I forgave her in my heart because I did not want to carry anger forever. However, I knew that forgiveness and trust were not the same. Some broken things take a long time to repair. I walked forward with new confidence. I learned that true friends celebrate your success instead of competing with you. From that day on, I chose honesty, kindness, and people who valued both. A real friend does not betray your trust because of jealousy. Forgiveness can bring peace, but trust must be earned through honest actions. Choose friends who support you when life is good and when life is difficult. 5 useful vocabulary words. Write these words down somewhere and try to use them when you speak English. 1. Inseparable. Meaning, always together, impossible to separate. Example, my best friend and I were inseparable during high school. 2. Defend, meaning, to explain or protect yourself or someone from criticism or attack. Example, I tried to defend my friend because I knew she was telling the truth. 3. Competing, meaning, trying to do better than another person or group. Example, many students were competing for the first prize. 4. Whispering, meaning, speaking very quietly so other people cannot hear. Example, the children were whispering during the movie. 5. Hesitated, meaning, paused before speaking or acting because you were unsure or nervous. Example, she hesitated before opening the door. Thank you for listening to today's story on Paint a Story. If you enjoyed this story and learned new English words, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep improving your English. See you in the next story. Goodbye.